Hello students, I am Rojamani, HOD, Department of Computer Science. Today I would like to explain about SQL classes. The main objective of classes are used with table expressions to help find the exact results. A class can be used with joins. SQL classes. A class in SQL is part of a query that lets you filter or customize how you want your data to be queried to you. The most common classes are from class, where class, having class, ordered by class. First one, from class. From class used to list out tables and join information. Second one, where class. The where class is filter that defines the conditions each row in the source table must meet to qualify for the select statement. Only rows that meet the conditions contribute data to the result. Second one, group by class. The group by class arranges the data into groups along with some functions. SQL group by class consolidated and calculate columns values into a single record value. Group by class requires a list of table columns on which to run the calculations. Next one, having class. The having class is an additional filter that is applied to the resultant set. Logically, the having class filters rows from the intermediate result set built from applying any from class, where class or group by classes in the select statement. Having classes are typically used with the group by class. Next one, order by class. We use the order by class to decide which column we want to use to order the resultant data in an ascending order or descending order. These are the types: where class, from class, having class, order by class, distinct class, group by class. First one, from class. The from class is the most basic class and is widely used in almost all the SQL queries. The from class is used to fetch data in form of results from the database. Syntax: select star from table name. For example, consider the table of student details. From class can be used to fetch all the data present in the student details table. From class example. Here is table roll number, name, marks. Our query is select star from student details. Student details is a table name. It display the below table roll number, name, marks. Roll number 1 Saurav, marks 50. Roll number 2 Rakesh, marks 90. Second one, where class. The where class in SQL is an abstract from class. The where class is added along with from class in order to generate most summarized result. Syntax: select star from table name, where condition. Here is the table. Consider the table of student details. Where class can be used to fetch specific data. Table name student details. Our query: select star from student details, where roll number 1. Our output: roll number 1 Saurav, marks 50. This is the output. Third one, the distinct class. The distinct class in SQL is used to fetch unique and non-redundant data or records. It is used with select class. Syntax: select distinct column name 1, column name 2 from table name. For example, student details is a table. Distinct class can be used to fetch unique data present in the table. Select distinct city from student details. Our output is city Delhi, Noida, Delhi, Ghaziabad. Fourth one, group by class. A group by class in SQL is used with SQL aggregate functions such as minimum, maximum, average, sum and count. The group by class will return the summarized data into possible categories according to the fixed query. Syntax: select column 1, column 2 up to column n from table name, group by column 1. For example, consider the table of student details. Group by class can be used to fetch summarized data present in the student table on the basis of gender. Here table name, student details. Our query is select count on roll number, gender from student details, group by gender. So our output is male and female. Roll number 3, male and female. Next one, having class. Having class in SQL is used with SQL aggregate functions such as minimum, maximum, average, sum and count. Whenever a condition marked with having class is true, then only the query will return the result. Also, having class is used with group by class always. Syntax: select column 1, column 2 up to column n from table name, group by condition, having condition. For example, consider the table of student details. Having class can be used to fetch data present in the student details. Table name, student details. Query: select count on roll number, location from student details, group by location, having count on roll number greater than or equal to 2. Here our output is location Delhi and Noida. Next one, order by class. Order by class is simple keyword which can be used with SQL aggregate function or having class or group by class. The main function of order by class is to sort the result in either ascending or descending order. It means sorting the result requires order by class. This can be done using either of the two keywords, ascending or descending. ASC for sorting result in ascending order, DESC used for sorting results in descending order. Next one, order by class. The syntax: select column 1, column 2 up to column n from table name, order by column name, default ascending. Example: consider the table student details. To sort the data according to the location to which student belongs can be done by executing the below query. Table name, student details. Input table, roll number, name, location. Our query is select star from student details, order by location, descending order, DESC. After that, it display roll number 3, name, C, location Noida. Next one, roll number 4, name D, location Noida, alphabetical order in descending order. Next, roll number 5, name E, location Noida. Roll number 6, name F, location Ghaziabad. Roll number 1, name A, location Delhi. Roll number 2, name B, location Delhi. The order by class, sorting based upon alphabets of location, that is capital N for Noida, G for Ghaziabad and D for Delhi. Similarly, above sorting can be done in ascending order to using ASC in place of DESC. Order by class also supports SQL aggregate functions. Consider the same table used above and below is the sample query for order by with SQL aggregate functions. Query select count on roll number, location from student details, group by location, order by count on roll number DESC. After that, display the result. Roll number 3, location Noida, roll number 2, location Delhi, roll number 1, Ghaziabad. Okay students, in this video we discuss about different types of classes like from class, group by class, order by class, having class, where class. Thank you students.